Hello, in front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 2 Solar Tactical, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Let's start by opening the shortcut menu, and to do it, press and hold the light button. After a second or two, the shortcut menu should open, and you can see that we have the list of shortcuts right here, and we can scroll through this menu by pressing the up and down button. Now, select the Do Not Disturb mode option, this one, and as you can see, it's disabled at the moment, and we can enable it by pressing the GPS button to switch it to on. And then we can press the back button to go back. And to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, simply open the shortcut menu again, select the Do Not Disturb, press the GPS to disable it like this. And then press the back button. Come on. You can also enable the Do Not Disturb mode through settings, and you can do it by pressing and holding the menu button to open the menu, then press the down button to scroll down. Keep scrolling until you find the system option, and then press the GPS button to enter. Here, scroll down, select the Do Not Disturb and press the GPS button. And we have the option called status, and we can press the GPS to enable the Do Not Disturb mode or disable it, like that. You can also enable the during sleep option. This is basically a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode, and you can set it up on the application if your watch is paired with a phone. And if you enable it, you will have the schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode, and it's gonna be turning on automatically at certain time and turning off automatically at different time. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to home screen. Oh, my bad. And that's how you enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.